welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. Today, we have Mr. Chetan Shah from Solex. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir, can you enlighten us about the past experience of Solex?
Well, our journey has been very exciting. It's almost now 17 years that we are producing modules in India, and it's almost 28 years that we are into the solar business. We started with the thermal technology and then photovoltaic. So last year was actually a growing year for us as since we established our new factory, state-of-the-art factory in Surat last year. So the last year it was actually exciting and quite growing. People didn't knew about the Solex as a manufacturer, so it was a time for us to introduce ourselves. And being a publicly listed company, there was a lot of expectation also from our shareholders about the performance of Solex. So this is the first full year that we have as a manufacturer. So last year we performed well compared to the previous year, and this year also we are quite hopeful to close at good numbers, much better numbers than what it was previous year.
That's great, sir. First of all, very congratulations for the new factory. So, what is the opportunity in India currently in terms of project and tender pipeline and opportunity in manufacturing you are looking?
Oh, well, so basically there are India has opened up huge opportunity. Like one is that the increase in electricity demand by the Indian industry and the consumers, that is increased by 9%, which is equivalent to 30 gigawatt. So that means the Indian electricity requirement has increased by 30 gigawatt, which needs to be fulfilled by the renewable energy, because there is no new thermal plant which are coming up. Nuclear we don't see any in near future. So I think most of this will come from the renewable, and in renewable definitely solar has a major say. Apart from that, there is new programs which are announced, like 10 million house rooftop. Then the CNI segment also, the utility scale captive projects and those things are, and that market itself is almost 30 gigawatt. The rooftop announcement which is made by Prime Minister, which itself is a 30 gigawatt. So at least India has opportunity to do 100 gigawatt in 2 years. That is what is the market opportunity that we have it. Now how much we can use this, how much we can cover it up, that's something which is key, and that is where the India has to work. It is the manufacturing. If you look at the manufacturing numbers, then our nameplate capacity right now is 40 gigawatt, and out of that operational capacity is almost 28 gigawatt, and then further it will increase in a few months. So I think Indian manufacturer can fulfill India's requirement 100% without being dependent on import of the module.
Oh, that's great, sir. So, what kind of market do you anticipate in 2024 in terms of utility, C&I, and residential?
So as I mentioned, rooftop market is growing so fast. Captive market, utility scale projects, that is growing so fast. And definitely the large scale utility scale projects like the 30 gigawatt hybrid power plant, and there's so on, like so many big projects which are already initiated now with the support of government. I think India don't need to look back for a coming decade at least as far as the solarization is concerned. And to supply this, to fulfill this growing demand, Indian manufacturing also is committed. So I think it's everywhere it is geared up, and everything seems to be so positive about it.
That's great, sir. So, according to you, which region or state looks most promising to you for 2024?
See, now up till now the Gujarat was, people were talking about a lot about Gujarat because there was a lot of opportunity, enough sun and everything. Now other states are also catching up, particularly like the southern part of the country and western part of the country, of course, and some part of the north, that will have a better penetration and uses of solar compared to the northeast where there are limitations. But still, even at the lesser generation also, those areas will also capture it, because I think the cheapest electricity low cost electricity for long term without having maintenance. There is nothing other than solar.
That's true, sir. So, how does export market out of India looks like to yourself for this 2024 year?
Export has, in fact, surprisingly, it has increased a lot because of the policy which are adopted by the USA and Europe. USA has put a sanction on a particular country, China, for import of modules. So that's the reason the Indian companies have geared up and grabbed this opportunity. So Indian companies have increased the export in USA. Europe is also on verge of imposing the similar sanction. So again, India has a great opportunity. Apart from Indian market, like India has a huge opportunity in Europe and USA for at least coming 5 to 6 years. That demand will grow. So if India wants to establish as one of a global supplier like China, then I think export also should not be ignored, and everyone should focus on export part also.
So, sir, can you let me know about the new projects or any plans or any product you're launching for this Intersolar?
Yeah, so basically we have not launched any new product here. Now industry is moving to N-type Top Gun. So we are also gearing up to deliver that product by July 2024. So after a few months, after 6 months, we'll be able to offer this product in the market like others. Solex is, in fact, we are increasing our production capacity. We have a global factory, so all infra for 4.5 gigawatt is ready. The land, building, everything is ready, and we are adding our new production lines in a phased manner. So basically, being a global factory, we are into the contract manufacturing also. So 50% of our capacity that we utilize for the other brands, which includes the global leaders also and the Indian brands as well. So by doing that, there is a lot of know-how which is coming in from those leaders in terms of the process control, manufacturing control, and the quality control. So that is basically helping our own brand to improvise. So I think whatever that we are delivering as a Solex brand also, they are at this quality, the product quality of those products are at par with any international brand.
That's great, sir. So we definitely wait for the new product from the side of Solex, and from my side, lots and lots of success for you and your company. Thank you so much for the time. That's great, sir. So last few words, if you can help me out for EQ, any feedback for that?
See, EQ, it's a long journey for EQ also. So I think the EQ has seen the Indian growth story in renewable. I think there is no other historian than EQ as far as if somebody has to write a book about Indian solar journey, EQ is the right people to write about, because you have seen all the ups and downs and turbulence and everything. You have covered this so many years. You supported the Indian industry by highlighting their product and services. I think, apart from business, you are doing the great service to the solar fraternity.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank